Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to manage Google account in this device. So firstly, how to add it and then how to remove it. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll in order to find accounts. Now let's tap on add account here and choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step, we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read it, just tap on it and here you will receive all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on more and accept it. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Obviously, you can remove it very easily. All you have to do is simply tap on it, so remember, do it using Accounts section and tap on Remove Account. Tap on Remove Account again. And as you can see, it immediately disappears, so it means that we successfully removed it from this device. So actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.